In the beginning was the Word, and since that time humans have listened for the pulse of the divine. Some heard it in the thunder, others in the rustle of leaves, still others in the chanting of monks or the ringing of bells. Now in a quiet Rice University laboratory, scientists have tuned to hear a whisper so faint it belongs not to choirs or cathedrals but to a single molecule. What the Rice researchers have done with graphene, silver, and silicon carbide is more than an engineering triumph. It's a rediscovery of something mystics have long insisted is true. The universe speaks in vibrations. The Greek philosopher Pythagoras called it the music of the spheres. The author of the Gospel of John called it the Word. Eastern faiths have long chanted Om as the root vibration of being. Now, through something called Raman spectroscopy, we see that even the smallest dye molecule hums in a musical key that changes the whole symphony. Faith is often described as belief in things unseen. And while that is true, faith in this instance is seeing the unseen. Not with eyes, but with the resonance of phonons, those quantized packets of sound and heat. It is akin to experiencing a scientific sacrament, demonstrating that even the smallest sound can bear the weight of the universe. The molecule is no longer silent. It is a cantor in creation's ongoing hymn. What's striking is not that scientists built a detector this precise, but that the universe was already vibrating with this music. And technology is the tuning fork, not the composer. The discovery tells us that faith is not imposed upon nature, but revealed by nature. We have always suspected the world was woven in harmony. Now we have a sharper ear to hear it. If we have ears, we should hear the testimony of a single molecule. Likewise, perhaps we can learn to listen again to each other, to the voices of the overlooked, and to the small and vulnerable. Just as one dye molecule bends the spectrum, so too one human soul can tilt history's balance. Vibrations, after all, ripple outward. So maybe the church bells and the laboratory lasers are not so far apart. Both are instruments straining toward resonance, both seeking to make the inaudible audible. And if the universe is, at its heart, vibration, then to have faith is not to believe blindly, but to trust that the music goes on, even when we can't yet hear all the notes.